भगो देवस्य धीमहि।
Hip hip! Hooray! And best.
जब ऊंची उड़ान का
kind of relationship we have, I could not.
complaint and it will go to MD.
As a professor of practice at Career Point University, a visiting professor.
Provide step-by-step workflows for filing complaints, escalating issues, and utilizing digital tools such as the RBI CMS portal. Friend, this book is not just for consulting system. It is also helping policymakers to identify systematic gaps and strengthen regulations. Friends, it is also helping educators to bridge the financial literacy gap. This why we have invited such learned faculty here is because you the nature of banking before the eyes of the banking users. Friends, I will take a couple of more minutes with your permission. Doctor, friends, this guy clean off your account. So this book will also help you how to file complaints against cyber fraud. So you have to, and I'll request her that once she comes with another edition of this, she should spend more and more on the cyber education, because that is actually captivating everyone. No politician in its election promises is saying कि हम मैं cyber fraud कम कर दूंगा. सब कह रहे हैं 2500 दे दूंगा आपके अकाउंट में, 2500 साफ हो जाएंगे किसी बदमाश द्वारा, वो उसके बारे में कोई नहीं बता रहा है. So a voice should go from here, from learned people and scholars to politicians कि बचाओ भी तो सही लोगों को. Beyond complaints in hand, every consumer can confidentially navigate the system. Let this book inspire a movement where informed citizens drive a fairer, more responsive financial ecosystem. Kofi Annan said that knowledge is power, information is liberation, education is the premise of progress in every society and family, and this educative book will be providing liberation. Friends, na sangharsh, na taklif, and transparency is essential for restoring the trust in banking system. This book plays a very important role in rekindling that trust. Friends, the complaint and it will go to MD, who not taking care of the policies of the bank will start entering, call his GM, then GM will call DGM, and DGM will call AGM, and then he will call branch manager. See, down the line, time will be wasted. The priorities will shift, to address a complaint rather than create a comfort.
It's so enticing and so absorbing, and everyone was listening to you so attentively. और मुझे लगता है एक वक्ता का, एक अच्छे वक्ता का सबसे बड़ा गुण यही होता है कि वो कितनी सरलता से चीजें बता दे और सबको समझ आ जाए. So the story, the narrative which you started with about Shivji ji and the complaints management that was done with this little frog, and then he was still not having that maza. We would say, sir, we had great maza with the entire address that you had given. It was quite insightful. Thank you so much. As far as Dr. Veronica, our author, is concerned and the book is concerned, I guess sir has already set the ground very right, because this is what the book is all about. Though it's about, informing us about complaints and grievance mechanism in the banking sector, it brings in more of the positive aspects also, and the areas wherein research is required. And thank you so much, sir. So
The one who's always complaining about the customers, and probably we do not have any book where the complaints against the customers are jotted down. So it was.
But okay, keeping all of that aside, good morning everyone, friends and family, everyone who's here. It's an absolute honor to figuratively stand before you today as we celebrate the launch of my book, Beyond Complaints, a comprehensive guide to consumer grievance redressal in banking. I'm truly grateful to each of you for being here, friends, colleagues, mentors.
The kind of relationship we have, I could not say no to you. I can never. So first I will just introduce myself.
start of mentorship. He serves as a professor of practice at Career Point University, a visiting professor. Hip hip! Hooray! And best of luck for the new version. Many congratulations, Dr. Veronica. Beyond Complaints, a comprehensive guide to consumer grievance redressal in banking. And since I've been an editor to this book, all thanks to you. I can say that it is not just meant for the faculty but even for the students, and the brightest element that has been incorporated in this book is the aspect of ensuring that experiential learning doesn't lose the platform. So many a times it's just theoretical and you lose the essence. You're just studying it for the, for exam's sake. So she has broken that norm, and you read it, you go through it. There are certain practical exercises for faculty to use for their students. So thank you so much. Many, many congratulations, Dr. Veronica. And on that note, I would like to thank all the esteemed dignitaries.
It will be better if somebody only one person takes the photograph, because everybody is having eyes on different cameras.
See, you are an advocate. You cannot say that.
Eyes will be on different cameras, so
क्या है जब ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर फिजूल है पूछना कद आसमान का. Just go, try your best and accomplish and come out successfully. Our blessings to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you.